Today we're going to do platelet-rich plasma, PRP, to stimulate hair growth on our patient here. So he has had a little pre-medication with 10 milligrams of Valium. He's feeling pretty relaxed right now. And what I'm marking out is a little zone where we're going to do some anesthesia. Area that he's interested in is, you can see on his scalp around here like this. So I'm just giving myself about a 1 centimeter perimeter around where the hair is super healthy. We've already drawn an aliquot of blood, about 30 cc's of blood, and that's in a centrifuge right now, spinning it down so we can get the PRP, or the platelet-rich plasma. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Aaron, I'm going to start right here in the middle, okay? A little, you're going to feel a little teeny tiny stick. Is that okay? And then a little bit of local anesthesia right there. Anything you can't handle there?
No.
Okay, and then through that area, we're just going to march around, right up under the skin. Is that okay? And you can see where the anesthesia is working there. Get a little bit of blanch in the skin.